Hello children. 7th class English paper question paper semester 2 2025-26 DSRT from DSRT website. First main 4 alternatives are given for each of the following statements. Choose the correct alternatives. This is second language English. First dash, boss is placed milk on the table. Second one, the word relating to God or heaven is divine. Third one, in the poem, poet says that his heart belongs to grandma and grandpa. Fourth one, the school begins from today. Choose the correct prepositions. Second main, fill in the blanks with suitable answers. Fifth one, mother's sister is called as aunt. Sixth one, some students are regular to the class but some are irregular. Seventh one, they walk quickly. Eighth one, the dog is barking from half an hour. Third main, answer the following questions in one or two sentences each. Ninth one, who written the poem Above Ben Eden? Answer, Lee Hunt. Tenth one, what did Philemon say to his wife? Answer, Philemon said to his wife to see if there was any food to give the strangers. 11th one, rearrange these words in dictionary order. Hide, hunt, heat, hair. Answer, HAIR hair, HEAT heat, HIDE hide, HUNT hunt. Twelfth question, with whom do you quarrel the most in your home? Answer, I quarrel more with my sister in my home. Fourth main, read the following extracts and answer the following questions that follow. 13th one, I need my share. I want to visit places all over the world. A. Who is I referred to? B. Whom was it said to? Answer, A. I is referred to Rahul. B. It was said to father. 14th one. What writest thou? A. Who said this? B. Who was it said to? Answer A. Above Ben Adam said this. B. It was said to the angel. Fifth main. Answer the following question in 2 or 3 sentences each. 15th question. Observe the picture and write in 2 or 3 sentences about it in your own words. Answer. The picture shows a beautiful scene of children feeding animals and birds. The children are pouring milk and food to the bowl. Several animals, including cats, dogs, and birds, enjoying the food. 16th one. Rearrange the jumbled words to make meaningful sentences. A. Expedition was Bachendri selected for Everest Indian. The answer. Bachendri was selected for the Indian Everest expedition. B. Faced challenges. Bachendri many. Bachendri faced many challenges. 17th question. Why could the couple hardly sleep? Answer. The couple could hardly sleep because of the wonder that the strangers had worked with the bowl. Eighteenth question. According to you, what harm did Pandora bring through her curiosity? Answer. Pandora's curiosity brought much harm. by releasing all the words, evils, sickness, sorrow, pain, and misfortune from a container she was warned never to open. 19th question. Write the given words in the ing form. Ache, tackle, stay, jump. Answer. Aching, tackling, staying, jumping. Question number 20. What was the change in Anjali's family after her grandparents went to Rita's place? Answer. The family was followed by silence. It was a nuclear family again. There was no one to talk. Mother was harassed and overworked with no time. 21st question. What qualities do you learn from your grandparents? Answer. Grandparents teach us important life lessons. They show us how to be strong, patient, and loving. They help us learn good values like kindness, honesty, and respect. 22nd question. How was Rahul and Gagan different from each other? Answer. Rahul was very irresponsible, always enjoying his time with his friends. While Gagan was a responsible boy and always helped his father. 6th main, 23rd question. Complete the following lines of the poem and write two pairs of rhyming words. A. If we really need a hug, or two. We know we can depend on you. Giving hugs is what grandparents do best and do it better than all the rest. B. Rhyming words to you best rest. 24th question. Read the given poster and answer the questions that follow. Healthy vegetable pancake recipe. Ingredients: gram flour, turmeric, chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies. Salt, oil, water. First one, mix 4 tablespoons of gram flour, some salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric in a bowl. Second one, add 100 ml water and make a smooth batter. Third one, take 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, a green chili and chop them finely into small pieces. Question number 4. Add the chopped vegetables to the batter and mix. Fifth one, heat a pan and grease it with oil. Sixth one, pour some batter into the pan. Seventh one, cook until the pancake is golden brown on both sides. Looks crispy, right? Eighth one, serve it with a sauce made of coriander and tomatoes. Enjoy the healthy meal. First one, what should you add to make the batter smooth? Answer is B. Water. Second one, which ingredient does not have an exact measurement mentioned in the recipe? Answer is salt. Third one, when should we pour the batter into the pan? Answer C. After heating the pan. Fourth one, what does the pancake being golden brown mean? Answer D. It's been cooked well on both sides.